Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. We're going to be doing a rip and race today. We've got two Grand Crosses in orange and white. These are 2021 Hot Wheels Track Star releases. They're best for track, number 123 of 250 for 2021. And here are the stats on them. This is the older case and the newer color of it. So orange and white. We're going to tear these open and race them on my race case track. Alright, I'm going to rip open the orange one, and then my special guest here is going to rip open the white one. Because white is his favorite color, obviously. Alright, tear it open.
Is white even a color?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Just tear that thing. Without... Yeah, alright. Peel right off. And then just like take it out.
Yep.
Was that fun? When's the last time you opened a Hot Wheels car?
When I was in your last video.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm going to take a good look at the orange one first. We're going to take a nice look at those wheels. Those wheels spin very well. And I'll give you a nice look at that. Orange wheels. It's a track star, so it's got Grand Cross and great spinning wheels. It's a nice look at the first color of it. Plastic on the bottom. And this looks like really fast SUV on the track. Very nice. Here's the white one. Good spinning wheels on this one as well. These are more loose wheels. But as you can see, it actually says Stealth Rides right there, and the other one doesn't say Stealth Rides. But it almost reminds me of a Tesla. It's a very cool fantasy track car. And I got two different colors of it here, and we're going to be racing them on my race case. Alright, on this race case, I got my flat track here, and white is in the first lane, and orange is in the second lane.
After many failed attempts.
Yeah, after many failed attempts, I decided to kick the settings down one notch, because one lane, either it was this one or this one, the car would just like fly off. Just one lane every time. So I set it to one less than the highest setting, so we can figure out once and for all, is white or orange faster? Which one you rooting for?
White.
Alright, that means I got orange. Let's see who wins. And it looks like white is the faster one. Let's do two more rounds and see if the orange can pull back. Alright, round two, I switched the cars in the lanes. Let's see who wins. Still white again, so white clinches the victory, so my special guest won, unfortunately.
Dang.